In Sales Manager, you have two options of configuring email accounts. You can configure email marketing account, so an account on the Sales Manager server, or you can configure your own account. Go to Settings, Email Account, and the email accounts dashboard will be displayed. Here you can see created accounts, and you can also search an account for its name or address. You can filter the list, and in the singular account view you can find the basic information about an account, such as a name, email address, or creation date. You can also see the actual status. You can easily edit or delete an account. Click Add New Marketing Account. This option enables to create an email account on the Sales Manager server, and then adjust the settings. Enter the internal account name in the system used for identification. Type in an email address that you will use to send messages. Here, enter the sender's name displayed before the subject line in the recipient inbox. And tick Override Field From. This is the optional function, and it allows you to extract any contact information from a detail saved at a contact card and set it as a sender's name. This function allows you to send a message to many contacts, displaying different sender's name for each recipient. Complete the options. Reply to email. Here you have to enter an email address that the answers will be directed to. If the marketing email address that you are creating does not exist, you can enter an existing email address so that it will be possible to reply. Reply to displayed name. This is the name that will be visible in the field Reply to. And override field to. Tick this option if you want to extract any contact information from a detailed saved as a contact card. Complete the option, and after adjusting the setting, click Save. Remember that each marketing account must be approved by Sales Manager. To configure your own email account, click Add Your Own Email Account on the main dashboard. And adjust your email account settings, or if you want to check the incoming mails, also incoming mails. Enter the account name that will be displayed in the system and the account email address from which mailings will be sent. Enter the name which will be shown as a sender and reply to. This is an optional address to which replies will be sent. If you leave this field blank, replies will be sent to the address from which you sent your messages. And enter the name which will be visible in the reply to field, and then enter the settings for your mailing server, such as the address of your SMTP host, the email port, the name of the SMTP account user, and the account password. Then tick the coding system that is used by the inbox, such as TLS, authentication, or SSL. Then the box sharing, tick this option if you want to decide whether the account is to be shared with several users within your organization. If you do not check this option, the sending account will be available only for the user to whom it has been added. And tick the proxy mode if you want to monitor the contacts from your mailing account. And the incoming email settings, choose the protocol, provide the incoming email host, an account user like login name, enter the account password, which is entered while logging into the account, provide the port supporting the incoming mail, and tick if you use one of the coding systems here. Decide which is the maximum number of messages that can be read at once here, and decide whether Sales Manager should delete message delivery failures email. Check settings, and if everything is correct, click Save.